Hi boys and girls, this is problem set lesson 15 and we are going to be doing several problems together. I'm going to have you do some on your own to practice your mental math or the algorithm. So in the directions it says you can choose mental math or use the standard algorithm that you learned about in the video. So let's take a look at numbers 1B through E to get started. So B, C, D, and E. You can use the standard algorithm or mental math. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can do this. Okay? So for letter B, you could break down the 25 into 20 plus 5. And you could add 46 plus 20, or you could do 46 plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and do 46 plus 5 in my head. And I know that 6 plus 5 is 11, and so the 40 becomes a 51 plus the 20, and our answer is 71 milliliters. You could also do this by the standard algorithm, doing 46 plus 25. 6 ones plus 5 ones, and remember this is all milliliters. 6 ones plus 5 ones is 11, so we put 1 in the ones place and put our 10 over in the tens column. Then we have 40 plus 20 plus 10, which is 70, and we have 71 milliliters. So either way we get the same answer. It's up to you how you want to do it. Next, we have 46 plus 125 milliliters. So I'm going to go ahead and do the standard algorithm, and I like to organize it and put the largest number on top. Again, we have 5 ones plus 6 ones, which is 11. The reason we like to write it at the bottom down here is because it's just like writing the number like we would in standard form. We have 20 plus 40 plus 10, which equals 70. We're already in the tens place. And then we have 100 plus nothing down below. So that would be 100. And again, this is all milliliters. We want to remember our labels. You could also do this by adding 40 plus 120, which is 160, plus 11, the 6 plus 5, which again will give you 171 milliliters. Letter D, we have 59 centimeters plus 30 centimeters. This is a pretty easy one to do mental math because we can add the 50 plus the 30 and get 80, and the 9 plus 0 is 9 centimeters. But again, if you want to do the standard algorithm, it's going to look like this. 9 ones plus 0 is 9. Again, don't forget our labels. And 50 plus 30 is 80. Let's take a look at letter E. So 509, when I look at 509 is very close to 510. So I'm going to break this up to be 1 plus 82. So I'm taking 1 from the 83, and I'm going to add that to the 509 because now I'm at 510 plus 82. And now it's very easy to see that mental math, and we're going to get 592. Centimeters. Again, we can do the standard algorithm, 509 plus 83. 9 ones plus 3 ones is 12. 0 tens plus 8 tens plus 1 10 is 9 tens. And 500 plus 0 is 592. And there we get the same answer. I would like you to choose one of the questions, I want you to do letter F, G, H, I, one of those four on your own. And then you're going to submit that to me so that I can make sure that you're doing it correctly on your problem set. Let's take a look at letter J. This is not one that I originally said we were going to do, but I want to do it anyway with you. Letter J, when I look at letter J, I notice that I have two different sets of measurements here. So I'm going to first add my liters. 1 liter plus 2 liters equals 3 liters. And then I have 245 plus 412 milliliters. Forgot my label on that first one, milliliters. So now I can use the standard algorithm or I can use mental math to add these. I like to add my place values. So I'm going to add 200 plus 400 and I get 600. Plus 40 plus 10, that's 50. Plus 5 and 2, that's 7. And I get 657 milliliters. Bring down my 3 liters, and there is our answer for that one. Go ahead, boys and girls. Actually, we're going to go ahead and do number 3 together. So let's go over to number 3. Number 3 says, in math class, Jason and Andrea find the total liquid volume of water in their beakers. Beakers are just containers that hold liquid. Jason says the total is 782 milliliters, but Andrea says it is 792 milliliters. The amount of water in each beaker can be found in the table to the right. Show whose calculation is correct. Explain the mistake of the other student. So we're going to go ahead. If we want to know the total amount of volume, we need to add the liquid amounts together. So we're going to add 475 milliliters plus 317 milliliters. And I'm going to use the standard algorithm. 5 ones plus 7 ones is 12. 70 plus 10 is 90. And 400 plus 300 is 700. And we have 792 milliliters, which is right here. So Andrea is correct. So Andrea is correct. What mistake did Jason make? Jason got 782. What did he forget to do? He did not regroup his 10 when he added the ones. So Jason did not regroup his 10 from adding the ones. Sorry about that. He did not regroup. He forgot to regroup this one right here when he did 5 plus 7. Good luck, boys and girls. Do the very best you can do. I'm looking forward to seeing what problem you chose to do on the first page and give you some feedback.